Throwing down the gauntlet. Understanding Throwdown. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases that pack a punch. Have you ever heard someone mention a throwdown and wondered what they were talking about? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to unravel the meaning of this vibrant expression, explore its origins, and show you how to use it in everyday conversation. So, get ready for an exciting linguistic throwdown. Throwdown is a term that has a variety of meanings, but at its core, it's all about facing a challenge or engaging in a confrontation. Originally, it was associated with throwing down a glove or gauntlet as a way of challenging someone to a duel. Nowadays, you're more likely to hear it in less violent contexts, such as a cooking throwdown, where chefs compete against each other to make the best dish. A dance throwdown, where dancers show off their best moves in a battle. Or even a friendly throwdown, where friends compete in video games. The phrase embodies a spirit of competition, intensity, and sometimes, a little bit of fun. To truly understand throwdown, let's take a quick trip back in time. The concept dates back to the Middle Ages when knights would throw down their gauntlets to challenge another knight to a duel. If the second knight picked up the gauntlet, the challenge was accepted, and a duel would ensue. In modern times, the term has shed its medieval armor but kept its combative nature. It's now used in various scenarios where a challenge is issued, whether that's in sports, cooking, games, or any competitive field. Now, let's get practical. How do you use throwdown in a sentence? Here are a few examples. Are you ready for a throwdown? This is a playful way to ask if someone is ready to compete. They had a real throwdown in the debate last night. Here, it means there was an intense argument or confrontation. The annual chili cook-off is a serious throwdown among the city's top chefs. This implies a competitive event centered around cooking. Remember, while the term often implies a competition, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's hostile or aggressive. It can be used for friendly contests too. Interestingly, throwdown has also been adapted into different forms. For instance, throw down the gauntlet, a phrase used to signify issuing a challenge. A throwdown event refers to an event that is centered around a competition or a showdown. These variations maintain the original spirit of the term but are used in slightly different contexts to convey a similar message. That wraps up our linguistic throwdown for today. We've explored the versatile phrase, throwdown, its historical roots, and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. Whether it's a friendly game night or a cooking challenge, you're now equipped to use this term like a pro. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and entertaining. Don't forget to practice, and maybe you'll be ready for your next throwdown in English learning. Catch you in the next video.